I was sitting on my normal spot, thinking to myself, man, I wonder if I could fly across the river. It's about to this dirt road in the middle of this parking lot here, so I thought I'd give it a shot.
1, 2, 3. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub.
See those sprinklers? Oh, they come into play later. There's the road. I'm just waiting for the bird to drop out of the area.
Big bang, I saw the whole gang.
So I thought I'd stay by this road so I could find it easy. I have to drive over there. Everything's going great. No warnings, nothing. And I see that guy walking there, I'm thinking, man, if I go down over here, he's going to pick up my bird. And it's just a long ways away, so it's happened before, so don't laugh. It's so far away, the time I get there, the guy's halfway down the, I can't even find him. This is why you conformal coat, guys. God, I got hit by 2. Look at that again. Watch this in slow-mo. Here I come. Didn't even see it. Bam! Bam! Those are irrigation sprinklers that are watering some acreage, so they're pumping out some water. I got hit by one time, so I know. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Everybody have a great day. And that's why you conformal coat. I do it mostly just because of the dew in the morning and the grass is wet, but you should always conformal coat your bird. Have a great day. God bless.